Only 32% of households maintain a monthly budget. This Excel tracker makes it so easy there's no excuse not to start. We create structured tables for income sources and expense categories with data validation dropdowns. This ensures consistent categorization and makes pivot table analysis possible. SumIF's formulas pull totals by category and month into a summary dashboard. Conditional formatting highlights overspending in red and surplus in green for instant visual feedback. A donut chart shows expense breakdown by category, while a line chart tracks spending trends over time. Both charts update automatically as you enter new transactions. I build the entire budget tracker from scratch, entering real example data. You see every formula, every chart setting, and every design choice that makes this template professional and easy to use. The free template is in the description. Download it and take control of your finances today. Subscribe for more practical Excel projects.